Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Porsche key case. Start by gathering a small Torx, a plastic pry tool, and the replacement shell. Remove the emergency key, open the shell carefully, then lift out the battery and circuit board. Transfer the board and battery into the new shell, align pins and clips, and snap the case closed securely. Test all buttons and range before reinstalling the emergency key and calling it done. Gathering the right tools makes this swap smooth and confidence-boosting. Use a plastic pry tool to protect the case finish and a small Torx for any screws. Keep a fresh CR2032 battery handy in case the existing one is weak. Lay out parts on a towel so nothing rolls away, and work under good light to spot tiny clips and contacts. Patience here prevents accidental damage and saves time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth for clear, friendly advice about money that can free up cash and stress for DIY car projects. It's a small read with big ideas, and it might change how you budget for repairs or parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically through each step and keep parts in order. After removing the emergency key, gently pry the shell open along the seam, watching for hidden clips. Extract the battery and circuit board without bending contacts, then fit them into the replacement shell the same way. Press the halves together until clips lock, and verify every button response and remote range before finishing. This approach avoids reprogramming and keeps your key fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.